All right, this one just going in. Let's wait for the nice and peas. You know? Rest the seasoning in another pot. Yaga yo, it's almost ready for me to let it do what it do. See? Almost ready. And this one boy, see how I'm going. I got to be cabbage next, make it pretty. And the joke is, this is my chicken tonight. I already cooked them people chicken already. People chicken because the guy couldn't come. Look, film chicken there. See the curry on the thing. I think I'm gonna put this in the cabbage. Because the curry already have enough seasoning. Must deal with this. Have another half a head to cut, you know? Must deal with this. But you know what type of knife it is? It goes in it. Google that and you'll see. Now let's see what's going on over here. Alright, I can't even open it up. It's so done. Rot it. Rot it. Rot it. This out of nice and peace. Money pull up. Remember, money this, you know. Can't keep a good man down. Half for them, half for the house. Shelly belly. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Scabba dabba da 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 da. Hey yo. This is the nice and peace. This is the nice and peace. Food so nice, put your mind at ease. This is the nice and peace. What the thing? Put your mind at ease. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Gang, 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 gang. Yo! Do 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 do. Do 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 do. They have to get their money's worth. I'm not gonna be greedy like that. Must get their money's worth. Enough rice in the pot still. See one big pot, yes, for real. Saw the thing set. Now I think they have a little bit, almost too much. No, they do. Good to go. Good to go. I see enough rice before. Never seen a rice like this. See enough rice before. Shelly and his, well, Chris, hey, shut up. Yeah, take a look at this. See that? Nice, call it nice a piece. Still gonna cook that, but it's different. See? This is the pre-mix, see? Our cabbage have to be pretty, you know. Like a few with y'all, them have to be pretty. See it there? This is how the thing goes, see? Like I said, big chef. Gang, 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 gang. They call me Big Chef. I'm always chefing. Gang, 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 gang.